Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. It's Miss Nancy, and I'm here with Discovery at Home Baby Washing. I said good morning, good afternoon because babies get dirty any time of day, and we still need to take care of them, even when they're stinky. And baby washing can be a lot of fun, but you'll need a few things first. I have a container full of warm, soapy water. I check the temperature first because you don't want it to be too cold or too hot. And I need my friends here. I've got several friends. If you don't happen to have a baby for baby washing, use a pet dinosaur. But be very careful. When you put them in water, they like to take a bath, but sometimes they bite. They can be very naughty in the bathtub. Oh, hi. So I wonder, help me out. Should I use a big sponge or a little sponge next? Because we got to make sure those babies are clean. I'm so glad you got to do our baby washing with us. And remember, babies get dirty. So don't forget to bathe your baby or your dinosaur. This is Miss Nancy for Discovery at Home.